Yep, our first beehive, bee castle. Putting it together right now. See how it goes. What do you think of that? Not bad, is it?